Apogee's Desktop Services operation provides an end-to-end managed service for the deployment of IT infrastructure. In simple terms, we work with large organisations to help them plan, source, image and deploy any form of IT infrastructure, and then provide the ongoing managed service support to again maximise its performance. Typically we work with organisations in the education or the healthcare environment. So for example, a university and its IT team wouldn't have the bandwidth to manage the deployment of several thousand PCs across a university's campuses. Our team can configure up to 500 PCs a day and image them exactly as the university requires and manage that rollout. Similarly, in the healthcare environment, a recent deployment was for 2,500 desktop and laptop devices to GP practices across the country, managed by Apogee's Desktop Services operation. Often it's a case of us providing the bandwidth and the project management skills, not just the technology, to help organisations deliver the desktop environment that their users require.